Alright, well let's jump right in and see if we can find out what the rule is for a 180-degree counterclockwise rotation. This won't take too long since we've already got this thing built. We're going to start with the pre-image again now. We're not going to start with that image. We're going to start with this pre-image. And I'm going to place my wax paper right over the top, just like I did last time. Since we're rotating around the origin, I'm going to pin it right there at the origin. And away we go. So as I move counterclockwise, once my ray right here ends up matching with the y-axis, that's a 90-degree rotation. Not surprised to see those line up because that's what they did last time, but let's keep going. And we end up here pointing the exact opposite direction that it was pointing before. And what we've got here is a 180-degree counterclockwise rotation about the origin. So now all I have to do is draw this, or transfer it, from the wax paper onto my coordinate plane. So let's see if I can do that. You can see there's a little bit of human error right here, but that's okay. I have a good idea of where it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be right there. And then B is right there. And it looks like C is way over here. Alright, so I'm going to put a C right there. A was right there. And B was right there. Cool. Alright, let me take my straight edge, connect these guys together. Try my best to eliminate human error as much as I can. Being as careful as I can. That wasn't too great. Oh well. We'll live. Connect that one together. Cool. And finally, the last segment. And we're good. Alright, now just like last time, I can't call this point A because point A already exists. And here's a little bit of a problem too. I can't call it A prime because A prime already exists. That point's right over here. So I have to show that this point right here has a relationship between A and A prime without giving it the exact same label. So what a lot of textbooks do and a lot of mathematicians do is they put two apostrophes right here and they call this A double prime. Same thing down here. This will end up being B double prime. And over here, this is going to be C double prime. All right, perfect. Let's find the new coordinates. This one is -1, -2. B double prime is -1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -1, -6. And then C double prime is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, -8, comma, -2. -8, comma, -2. All right, perfect. Now that I have the new locations, and I know they're right because I used wax paper to get them there, I'm going to record them right over here. Alright, so A double prime ended up being -1, -2. And B double prime ended up being -1, -6. And then C double prime ended up being -8, -2. Alright, awesome. So just like you did last time, we want to compare the pre-image coordinates to the new coordinates after we do a 180-degree counterclockwise rotation. So take a look at this coordinate right here and take a look at its new image. Okay? Take a look at this coordinate right here and take a look at its new image, and then take a look at this coordinate right here and take a look at its new image. And what I want you guys to do is I want you to look for a pattern. All right, I think you might see it already. I think this is actually an easier one than the one that we saw right here. And you'll see that once you get onto Schoology, I'll be asking you to find out what the rule is. And if you can write it in this format right here, that would be awesome.